Hi, my name is PJ Williamson, and this is another episode of How Simple Is That? Today, we're going to teach you how to create a recurring meeting. So let's go ahead and navigate to meetny.webex.com. When you arrive at the home page, check to see if you are signed in. If you are not, go ahead and do so. So now that we know how to create a one-time meeting, let's go ahead and create a recurring meeting. I'll use the scheduling meeting module to get back to the web form. And just like before, I'll leave the defaults as they are, but I'll add a meeting topic. I'll set the date to May 8th and the time to 12 p.m. And I'll give the meeting a duration of 1 hour and 15 minutes. And I'll click Done to continue. So what we have here is a meeting scheduled for Wednesday, May 8th from 12 to 1:15. And so to make this a recurring meeting, I'm going to simply click on the recurrence checkbox. The first drop-down menu will allow you to choose your recurring pattern, whether it's going to be daily, yearly, or weekly. Then you can set the recurrence type, whether it's going to be every 1 week, every 3 weeks, and so on and so forth. You can also modify the days of the week that you want this meeting to recur. For example, I can also add Friday to the recurring meeting. You'll then have a meeting that will be scheduled for Wednesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. for 1 hour and 15 minutes. But I'm going to go ahead and leave it for just Wednesdays. My next option is to choose an end date. I can have it not end on a specific date that I choose, or have the meeting end after X amount of meetings. I'll choose to leave it as no end date and move on. Now, like before, I can go ahead and put in a bunch of emails separated by a comma or a semicolon under the attendees section. Click schedule to commit these changes. Once again, we are back on the details view of our currently scheduled recurring meeting. Next, I'm going to go back to our dashboard by clicking Home over here on the left-hand side in the navigational links section. And now you'll notice that we have 2 entries down in the upcoming meetings module. And to help you differentiate which meeting is which, you can tell a recurring meeting by this symbol here. It is of 2 arrows circling each other in an infinite loop. So, if you have any questions, please contact SciIT.